Okay,
Yeah,
recording.
right.
Shweta, hello Shweta, how have you been today?
Sorry for interrupt. Sneha. Yes,
Sneha, okay,
Sneha.
okay, Sneha.
My full name is Sneha. Yeah,
Yes,
you also
how
call
are
me
you,
Sneha.
Sneha?
I'm fine. What about you, Monica?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking too. Okay, so you know how to learn English. We all are eager to learn this language because this is the international language or our second language also. So how can we learn this
Right, right.
language? Tell me some tips for the beginners.
Yes, sometimes because like English is a global language, you are right. But we have a knowledge about the sub as a subjective because learning and speaking is totally different from each other. But that's the main barrier is the fear of speaking. That's why we are not able to like speaking this language, because as a subject we also we have a lots of knowledge about the English, like grammatical aspect, because we did our masters and graduation also, but we are not able to speaking. That is the main barrier is hesitation. And my tips for
Just
any
right.
beginner that's starting
Something
their
is
journey,
barrier that
start
is our
speaking.
mother tongue. Mother tongue is also
Right, right.
somewhere we feel that it is barrier. But if I let me tell you one thing that if mother tongue is very barrier, so how can we speak out without mother tongue, without supporting the mother tongue? We cannot speak out because now
Right,
if we are a beginner, so firstly in on the initial stage we get to know that bilingual, we get to know how to speak out bilingually, you know, like translation method, like making the sentence structure. So according to me, mother tongue is not much barrier in our speaking journey. But yeah, sometimes we feel that we speak out our mother tongue fluently rather than English. So somewhere we feel that it is obstacle. Okay, anyways,
right.
Sneha, you just tell me your one, like your one situation, any situation of your life or incident in your life when you stuck in between to speak out in front of other people or any professional things.
Yeah,
You felt
actually, I
somewhere.
never. Hmm. No, no, actually, never. I remember this thing. I faced anything, but this is a compulsion for me because when I was college, at that time, I'm not focusing on speaking in English. Really, at that time, I'm only focusing on my academics. But last year, I also realized like when you growth in your career, that means you do something new for yourself. And English is a very soft skill for you. And when you become an eloquent speaker in this language, that means you have a golden opportunity in your life,
Right,
right?
it is our
Because
soft skill also.
yeah, because yeah, last time also trying for the online teaching also, but somehow the first thing, you have a good command on English. That is the first thing you. That's why I'm learning this language, because sometimes we are not able to speaking, but the main thing is we are have a knowledge. I'm already told you, but somehow we are not habitual, because since our childhood we are speaking a native language, and English is not our native language. That's we are stuck when, because after like 4 and 5 months we are habitual. We are like we are able to, our tongue muscles are habitual of this language. That's we are right now we are communicate with this language.
Okay, Sneha, so I would like to introduce myself in front of you because this is the first session with you guys. Okay, so let me tell
Right.
you, as you know that my name is Monica. I am from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior, and I am a teacher by profession, and I have been
Okay.
teaching in academics last 8 years, and I have a good experience, a
Okay.
lot of offline coachings, offline teaching, as well as online also. And last year, in 2025, I started my channel, YouTube channel, and I I eager to know about online, all the things like how to face the camera, how to introduce online in front of the people. So I want to just explore myself more and more. And I am very passionate learner, and I am motivated myself. Every day is my motivational day, and starting from a motivational quote also. So yeah, that's all about me, and I love to know about yours also.
Okay, amazing introduction, Monica. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nilata Bharadwaj. I'm from Delhi. I'm a homemaker. I'm also into teaching. Last 10 years, I am working as an offline tutor. If you talk about my qualification, I did my master's in political science and also completed BEd and qualified CTET. Yeah, nowadays I'm like connecting the people. That's how I'm gaining the knowledge from them. Yes, and one of that I'm starting one of my YouTube channel also. Like so before 2 months ago, I'm started. Nowadays I'm connecting the people. That's how I enhancing my communication skills. And apart from that, also I am last 2 week I'm developed a habit of reading books also. That's why I'm also called for myself. I am a like bibliophile person also. Yeah, also I'm loving the music also. That's why I'm also call me like a mellophile person also. Yeah, that's all about me in a nutshell, Monica.
Okay, so I'm very glad to know about your introduction or your about yourself. So let me explain one thing. Just tell me about your practicing of speaking. What kind of method or ways you adapt for enhancing your skill?
Okay,
Yes.
in my case, I'm totally depend on like when I started initially stage, I'm totally focusing on listening. But after some time, also feel very tired, frustrated. Why are I'm all time listening something related to English? But when I using in my communication skills, that's how I use my listening and speaking. And last 4 and 5 months, I'm totally consistent with like I'm focusing on my speaking part. But yeah, I'm already told you like last 2 week I'm also developed a habit of reading books also, because when you read something, that means you already you know about the good structure also, and by the reading you learn vocabulary, phrases and idioms. That's why I'm also the inculcate of habit reading also nowadays. That's how I'm a practice. Last 4 months I'm totally depend on listening and speaking, and that's nowadays I'm also into reading also.
You love to listening people more, right?
Yeah, but when you listen a lot, like podcast videos, after that, when you not use in your communication skills, that means you have not utilized your listening. But when you listen something productive, then after that you learn something, then you use in your communication. That's how listening and speaking
So,
both
what
are
kind
very
of things or what kind of things you like to listen? Tell me some examples.
okay. Like I'm listen a lot motivation call. Really, motivation speeches. I love it. But we know when you learn something new, that means you first of all you have a great dedication something you learn. And when you listen any motivation speech, that means you learn something new, and you energize you. That's why I'm like rather than another communication videos, as most of the time I'm like like motivation videos also.
Motivational video you liked to listen.
Motivation videos.
Okay, okay.
Right, right.
So, yeah, listening is good, nice. But on the other hand, if I talk about three aspect this, three modulation like
Yes.
speaking or reading or writing. So, which do you like the most? Except listening, except listening.
Okay, listening nowadays
Second thing is
speaking
second
really,
skill is which
because
skill you like the more also.
yeah, like nowadays, because I know the power of speaking, because like when you follow the four aspect, that's very good for you. Then after that, when you follow all four, that's becoming an elegant speaker. But initially stage when you start with the speaking, that is very good. I had already like a good experience about the speaking, because when you speak more and more, and take at least 10 to 15 minutes you speak, that means you're doing something productive. And consistency daily, that is because the already said like consistency is the key of success.
Right,
Well, I like
consistency
the
is
most
the
of
key of
speaking.
success.
Yes, when you listen a lot but you not try to speak, and after when you skip the 3 4 days again you start speaking, that you have lots of fumble in your communication skills. That's why speak daily, not at least 1 2 hour, at least 15 to 20 minutes daily
Yeah,
practice
in my
of
scenario
speaking
also,
with your
I would like
co-parts
to
also.
share with you, Sneha, that listening is not enough for our communication, enhancing our skills. Rather than you should
Right,
work
right.
out over all the four aspects: listening, reading, writing,
Yeah, really, really.
and yeah, speaking also. And for the speaking,
Speaking.
we should be consistent. It matters a lot. Consistency matters a lot. And then we
Yes, really.
get rid of like pronunciation. We should have improve as possible as like pronunciation, vocabulary part also, fluency part also. All depends on your consistency. If you consistent to take your
Right.
communication skills, or your taking your fluency in your life, if you want uh, like
Hmm,
get success
hmm.
fast, so you should focus on these four aspects, right?
Yeah, really, really.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
So yeah,
I
and
agree with
grammar
you. Totally
accuracy. If
agree.
I talk about like grammar accuracy, how far it is seen. It is like seen in our communication skills. How much percent it is? It plays a role in our communication. Please tell me.
Yeah, like, okay, like in initially states, at least you have a know about
Just
it, at
Sneha,
least
just
10% of
1 minute.
the time.
There is a random call, so please wait a minute.
उसके बाद बता.
Okay, we continue. So yeah, how far the accuracy and grammar plays a role in our like in our speaking journey. So please tell me something about it.
Okay, yeah, sure. Actually, initially states, at least you know about the 10% of grammar. That is the mandatory, because how you do not know about the grammatical aspect, like tenses, especially tenses, and how you able to make a structure. That is not possible. But initially states, you at least you know about the grammar, not deeply, but at least you know about the tenses initially states. But when you completed your 1 month and 2 month in this journey, then after that also you know about the 8 aspect of grammar. That is very, very compulsory. Because when you did not know about which aspect use and which grammatical mistake, because without grammar in English, how to become an elegant speaker? Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Then
But
after
eight aspects,
completing
you
two
talked
months,
about the eight aspects. So which is eight aspects you
right?
talk about?
Okay, like any language, when you learn, when you want to learn something, any language, that means first of all, you learn about the noun. Second one is pronoun also. Then
Yeah,
third one
part
is
of the speech is
adjective.
there. Yeah, yeah.
Adjective. Yeah, parts is very, very important. That's why I'm saying.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because without knowing
It
eight
is
parts
the
of
it is the
verb,
very important part,
verbs and
very
speech.
crucial part in our
Yeah, really.
learning
Yeah.
journey. Yes, we should
Yeah.
know
Then
what is
after
the
that,
noun, what is the pronoun,
these two.
interjection, verb, prepositions, and
Really. Yes,
all part of speech is there.
all parts speech. Like
It
when you
plays a very
become
crucial role
like
also.
elegant speaker.
Yes.
Yeah. But when you make, without knowing the grammar, how to able to make a big structure, big sentences also. That is
Okay, so
not
Sneha,
possible.
this is the only one question or one more question I would like to share with you, because they are actually the timing of my coming from my son has come, about to come. So only 5 minutes we will discuss. Okay, so yeah,
Okay, okay.
just to
No
become a
problem.
confident English speaker, uh, we should focus on our grammar skill, or we should focus on our speaking skill for become a confident
I'm
learner.
already
How can we
confident
become
learner.
a
First of
confident
all,
learner?
confident, because when you have, like I'm already told you, like knowledge is you have already as a subject knowledge you have, but you have a courage, you have a confidence. First of all, uh, believe on yourself, be positive and start speaking. Speaking is must initially stage, and after some time you go through with the grammatical aspect also, and go with your fluency also. But initially is when you become confident and start speaking, then after some time you also rectify your mistake. There is my mistake, and next time I will not do, right? And after some time you also go through with the, like, follow the grammar also, follow the fluency also. But first of all, you starting with the speaking. You have no
Yeah,
need to
just
like wait
scratching,
the
just
perfect.
yeah, just
Yeah, at
scratched.
least you
You
start
just
speaking.
start your English journey, whether it is the whether it is the sentence structure is right or wrong. But if you start your
Right.
journey speaking like scratching, after that you just when you become a like a flow on that and grip
Hmm.
on that particular language over this language, so you can improve your
Hmm.
grammar structure also by and by. And it is yeah, good
Right.
advice for our audience also. So
Hmm.
yes, if you want to ask anything with me, so you can.
Yeah, okay. I'm asking one question to you.
Yes.
Like, which hurdle when you start your journey you faced? Please share with us.
Okay, which hurdle I faced when I start my journey? Actually,
Come.
I
Yes.
last year I started my journey, online journey, because I professionally, as I told you, I am a teacher, and I have been learned this language since my childhood. You literally, you don't believe
Okay.
me that I am a very big fan of English language, because I am a actually
Hmm.
literature student. I had become a literature student or in my college or school, so I am very eager to learn more and more and explore about this language. So my journey initially started from 2014 as a academics,
Okay.
because there had no so many opportunities for me, because we have to like teaching as a teacher, not a communicator, not
Hmm.
a trainer, like na,
Communicator,
you
right?
know. So just to focus
Hmm.
on our teaching. And after 2024, I just got to know that beside this career, beside the teaching line, we should focus on our language, on our skills. So
Hmm. Hmm.
I motivated so many YouTubers. There are two or four YouTubers which motivates me a lot. So just I
Hmm.
resolved myself that I have to start my channel, my own channel. So yeah, like
That's nice.
beginners also, so many people are there who make their videos and upload on the YouTube. So as I started by showing them, just but getting fluency over this language, I just started recorded myself small videos or short videos, like I uploaded on my channel, so viewers can also motivated from my channel or from my videos. And like this, by and gradually I got fluency over and a good grip over this language. Yes, but now today I am able to speak very well without any fumbleness, and actually I am a self-motivated person, so I always learned new things in my life. I just learn new things from many videos. So yeah, this is my online journey. If I talk about, this is
Yes.
the online journey, and it carries on uh, day by day, and I just improve myself
Okay,
every day.
very nice. You know, One thing is you told na ki you are motivated by yourself. That means a very huge thing. Because you know, when you depend to another person, all time we need motivation. But another, like outside motivation is the like very short time period. But when you motivated by your inner self, that means you motivated your whole life. That is very good.
Because if we want to do something special or something unique for
Hmm.
our in our life, so we have to self
Hmm.
motivated day by day, because
Yeah.
nobody can give you chance. Nobody can give you
Right.
chance in
Right.
this world, in this like a miser world, you know. This world is very
Hmm.
miser
Right.
and very selfish, you know. Actually,
Hmm. Yeah.
I am also miser, and somewhere, because we are a human being. So these
Right.
kind of like now
Hmm.
thinking just come in our mind. So
Hmm.
nobody
Yeah.
can
Right.
says that come forward and do
Yes.
it. No, because there are
Right.
in
Very.
my in my academics, like in as a when I was a student, and I just did B.Ed degree
Hmm.
from a college.
Hmm.
So actually there is a call, please. Okay, Sneha, actually, I have to wrap up the session because my son has
Okay.
come now. So, thank you so much for
Okay.
being
So thank
here,
you.
and I'm very glad to
Welcome.
listen you. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Bye bye. Have a
Okay,
nice
bye
day.
bye.
Bye.